Welcome to Level Up, guys. Today I'll be doing something completely crazy. Today I'll be doing a reverse makeup challenge, which basically means that I will be starting my makeup with the last step of my makeup routine and I will be finishing my makeup off with the first step. It sounds pretty fun, right? I'm super excited for it, guys. Let's see how it turns out to be. So let's start it with the last step, that is the lips. I am using this brush, lip brush, and the lip shade which I'm using is by MAC in the shade 602 Chili. The next thing would be the eyes. So I'm using this eyeshadow brush and I'm using this eye palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm using a very natural shade. This is the shade which I am putting on. Now I'll be putting on the mascara. It's again by Maybelline. I really like this because it gives me really voluminous lashes, so yeah. Make sure that you do not forget to put the mascara on the lower lash as well. Time to fill in the eyebrows. It's time to put on the blush. It is one of my favorite steps. If you're not blending your makeup well, then your makeup looks really patchy. So make sure that you blend each and every step. Alright. I'm gonna contour my face. I'm using this brush. Now I'm putting on the highlighter, guys. So now the next step would be concealing the face. So yeah. I'll be just putting some on my under eyes to hide the dark circles. I'll be using this beauty blender. I'll be putting some on the ends of my nose. Alright, I think I'm done with blending my concealer. So I'll be putting on the foundation on my skin now. So I'm using very little amount of foundation because it's not needed. I am on the last step of my makeup routine, which is putting on a primer. I'm really in love with this primer, which is by Color Bar. Alright, I'm done with it. And the results are pretty good. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this fun and this great. So this was my Level Up challenge. If you guys tried this at home, do let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. Till then, bye!